Everyone, hello financialist. This is Victory from Camden Financial Exchange. How was your week last week? I hope you made a lot of money last week from my analysis because let's check how far with last week update. All right, let's just as we are into the video. As we move to other market, we'll see how far with the market. So far so good. The XY has in this market, Usdjpy on the analysis for this week has been playing out very quite nicely. Yes, so the entry for this one was right over here for me. Yeah, so still holding this one. So that was where I got my entry for it, and I'm still holding it even with all this push down here. I did not close because yes, it did hit resistance, but so far so good. The story for me even coming next week, if I will do anything, is to add more positions. And why will I be doing that? Look at this on the 4 hours time frame. It's very sweet for you to notice this. Look at this. We have an inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the head, this is the first shoulder, the second shoulder, and here is of course going to be the neckline of it in this market. So for me, the story is quite clear for this market. Eurusd, Gbpusd, and if you can spot it on the 4 hour, there's something like a W pattern over here, and then here is the neckline of it. So, and if we are to check market structure, you can see that this was a high. We had a lower high because it was above this one. We have a lower low, then we had this low, then a new high, and then we're having a higher low over here. And ever since market did this, market is here to take out this high. So this and this is a new signal that there is a push. There might be a push at least to the upside, and at least we might see here, and if it breaks it, then this market continues on its uptrend. Remember that this market is on the higher time frame, is on an uptrend, as you can see. So this candle over here also gives you more of what might just play out, this indecision on Friday. But the good thing about this candles is that most of these lows over here for last week, at least most of these lows here, Wednesday's lows was swept, Thursday's low was swept, and Friday's came close. So at least market should push back to at least sweep out these highs and these highs over here, and ultimately take out short people over there. So that is it for the bullish story. That is my bias on this market. I can be wrong, but that is my bias for the market. Now let's move to the next market, and this one is where it gets interesting, guys. It gets interesting here. Why does it get interesting, guys? Because as you can see, I told you guys last week, and as I said earlier, as we go into the market, we will tend to get the update from last week. So this is the update from last week trade, how far. So on Wednesday, and a position was taken around here, and you can see how nicely Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is what is giving us. Yeah, so the market is playing out quite nicely. Now to analyze this for next week, what am I expecting to see? Remember, guys, all these lines that are here, not to confuse you from last 2 weeks and last week, you all know. If you go through those videos again, you know where all these lines are coming from, because yes, I did not clear the lines this time around. And for further emphasis, you should know that my green lines are daily, my purple lines are the weekly, while the black lines are monthly. So it's as simple as that. And these are the 3 lines that I'm using. I'm no longer using the 4 and the 1 hour lines. So these are the, because I'm working with these time frames. Sorry guys. So let me just go straight into the analysis of this market. So we'll start from the monthly time frame. Start from the monthly time frame because we want to know where the market is and what the market is doing, so that we'll be able to sorry guys, just to do this, but sorry guys, should have made the screen bigger so that you guys will be able to get the full story of what is playing out. So that is it. Let me just arrange my screen so it is going to be better. So that is it for the from the monthly. Now what can we pick out from the monthly? We can see this over here. Ever since market left last 2 months from this high over here, it sold off last month, and we had a little sweep up here, and so far it has been selling off. But right here where market closed on Friday, this place is where it closed, you can see, is key. Why is that place key? Because market has picked up from here before and made this impulsive move to the upside, and now market is at that place. So definitely one thing's for sure, the market closed at support last week. So when Monday opens, market open in some hours time, do you want to be shorting at support right over there? I don't think it's going to be advisable to be shorting from support. I just need to change this. Yes, so as you can see, it's a black line. It's a black line. So let's now move to the weekly to see where we can get a better entry for these markets. Let's see where we can get a better entry for this market. Gbp USD. So Gbp USD, you can all see where the target for this market is. The target for this market, definitely for next week, we should be expecting market to come down here. That is my take. But currently over here, right over here, there's a monthly zone over here. So I'm expecting this market to do what on Monday? To push up a bit and then push up a bit. There is not much levels here on the weekly for us to watch. So since there's no levels on the weekly, we go to the daily to see where markets might push up to. So if we are to go short again, we go short again. So you can see that even on the daily time frame, this particular level on the monthly has been an area of support before. Yes, so market is now at that same level. Oh, sorry. Market is now at that same level again. Now, where is the closest resistance that we have in this market? As you can see, here too has played a range here and before it broke out. So the best thing to do for this market right now is to wait for this market to get back to it's not advisable for you to sell now that the market is at support. So the best thing to do for this market is for you to wait for market to get to resistance, which is right over here, and then you can look for your short entries around here, and then you place your SL at above this the high of this candle. Yes, place your SL above the high of this candle, and then you can target your short entry from here. Then your take profit should be here when the selling continues. When the selling continues going forward, because we move into the smaller time frames, like the 4 hours to get what is happening. You tend to see what is happening over there, though there are tiny candles over here, but you can see the tap into the monthly zone, and then the push. Look at the long wick to the push to the upside, and we have 3 candles closing. And the most thing that I love about this candle that is closing, as it tapped into here, it did not like push back, just like this red candle, very long. Look at it, tiny candles. So it tends to tell you that yes, the market is just bouncing off from support. Once it hits resistance over here, there's a likelihood that it will drop, and let's watch and see whether it is going to break. So definitely here is going to be a good place to look for sells from for going to next week. So that's it for these particular markets. Let me also see on the 1 hour, so you get the structure even on the smaller time frame. So even on the smaller time frame, you can see the candle that swept it, and talk about the market. You can spot it. So with this particular candle over here, there's a likelihood that when market opens, it will continue at least to this place before we get it first back to here, and let's see whether it breaks it. If it does not break it, it might play a range until it breaks it down. But overall, we do know that this market is in a downtrend, so there's no need there's no need to be buying. Instead, look for sells on this market. Then the next one will be Euro USD. Let me get the chart. So here's the chart for Euro USD, our next market. And you see, the reason why I love this market is that these markets in GPUSD are just like brothers and sisters. You know, that kind of a thing. Is like, that's just it. They work alike. And you guys can remember last week? Yes, can you guys remember when I made like my last forecast? Go and watch the video if you have not, guys. So this is it. And please, before I forget, hit the like button. You guys should please like this video so that other people will get to see them, and also turn on the notification icon so you get my videos. And please, I appreciate it if you can drop your comments. Drop a comment, ask questions. I'm going to reply. So going into this video on Euro USD, going back to it, I told you guys last week market was just hovering above here, and I told you guys that all this area, I use this rectangle bar to tell you that all this area will be resistance. So we watch to see if this market will break this place next week, and if market breaks it and this place holds, then we know that this market will not stop until it gets over here, because from over there isn't much support on a higher time frame, like a monthly time frame, and this place area was a strong area of support. And you can see we move now over to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame on this market, you can see what happened. It's a very beautiful story. It's a very, very beautiful story. Why do I say so? Because this particular level is where we placed. This is our last weekly zone here, and look at what happened on this with market. Can you spot? Remember that this although is like a blue color, but this particular thing over here, all is our monthly. It's a rectangle bar. We just use it to mark our monthly zone of resistance. Can you notice that this market closed? This place supposed to be support, but it broke it last week. It broke it and went below it. Broke this weekly support, broke a daily support, and is also below this our monthly support area. And look at how where it closed, convincingly below it. This is where market closed, convincingly below it. So should we expect a drop to the downside? Yes, we should expect more drop to the downside. And like I told you guys, I'm telling you guys, I've been bullish on US dollar and bearish on this market. So where should we be looking to take our buys? Since we have confirmed the direction of this market from the higher time frame, we go back to the daily time frame. Now, definitely, market has broken this daily resistance, but where is market reacting to currently? Let us find out where market is reacting to currently. The key level that market is reacting to currently, so that we know what we're doing. So yes, there is a daily zone, supply zone. There is a daily supply zone right over here. There is a daily supply zone right over here. So this is where the market is reacting to currently. As you can see, it's beautiful, guys, because market tried to break this daily supply zone and support zone. It tried to break it. You can see the long wick. We can see the long wick almost touching this daily supply zone, but it broke through it. And but still closed above here. So all this area to here is still support for Euro USD, and the long wick, the pull, like, sorry guys, the pull from here, the pick up from here, from this level over here to this level is incredible. It's incredible resistance. So like I talked about Euro USD, I'm also expecting to see a relief from this market, because it has hit almost two daily support zones, and then at least to this monthly resistance over here. But where will I be looking to like take action from this market? I would love to see if the market can get back to this level, and then if I get a confirmation for the sell, I sell from here. And then where should my take profit be? My take profits, change this thing to the monthly time frame on this market. If I change it to the monthly time frame on this market, that should be my take profit. So I'm looking to swing this market. If I'm to swing this market, this should be my take profit for this market. That should be my take profit at 0.97884. That should be my take profit for this market overall take profits. But along the way, if I say let me just trade it on the weekly, if I should get short right over from this place, then here might just be my TP1, TP2, TP3, level by level. But one thing was sure of for next week, market is between this daily support and daily resistance. So we watch to see whether the market is going to play it as a range, or is going to start selling from here again and then break this daily support and gets to here. But next week is going to be interesting. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame to like, okay, let us get this story from the 4-hour time frame. What is happening there? You can spot based on the fake out strategy. You can spot that, oh, this long candle impulsive one tried to go below, close below, opened, supposed to have test this as resistance and continue the selling pressure. But what happened? It closed above. The second candle closed above, and now the candle that closed the day is still closing above, and after testing this daily zone. So what am I expecting? Here should act as support, and then it picks off at least to this level and then push back and break, or picks off from this level and impulsively gets here before each pushback. But if market should open on Monday and this level, and market comes back to this level and this level is lost, and we have 4-hour candle closing below here, then there's nothing to worry about it. Even from here, you can look for your short from here and write it down at this the next daily supply zone. So that is it for this market. That is it for this market. Even from the smaller time frame, this was almost giving us a double top here. This was also giving us a double stop here. Right from here, this was supposed to have been the neckline. I did try to scalp this market. I entered, I was short around this level. Let me scalp the market. But I got out around here. When I saw that the move was not longer going to happen. I got out around there to wait. But even if you can watch it, you can still get the look at highs, then one right over here. But let's watch and see whether here is going to hold or is going to fake out. But definitely the market is in a downtrend, so it's ill-advised to you do not want to be selling here, because here is support currently. You want to wait for a confirmation, either that here is not going to hold as support and then you start selling, you join the sell, or you wait for it to come back to resistance before you sell. And that is it for Euro USD. That's it for Euro USD. Sorry guys. So that is it for Euro USD. For gold, I want to take gold, but I don't think I'll be gold. For gold, honestly speaking, gold markets, I've tried to analyze this market 2 times, and the market looks to giving me not going as I forecasted. Why? That of last week we had geopolitical tensions. When I dropped my analysis on Sunday, there was no geopolitical tension, and after I dropped it, the next thing it started, and it has been worse and worse. But what is happening right now in gold? For gold, I will still tell you guys, if you can watch overall, do not ignore the trend on gold. Sorry, let me take it to the weekly. Let's get what is happening over here in gold. So on gold right now, you can just look at what happened last week. The market is in an established uptrend. That's what we just have to know for gold. And the moment gold picked up from this daily level over here, close above this daily level over here, it just try to tell us that this whole sell from over here to here has automatically become what? A fake out. And what did the fake out occur? From this level. For us to understand this, let us go to the time frame. Yep, that is just it. So it just means that this impulsive sell over here, because this was the level that we were watching out for gold, and he took it out. We had 1, 2, 3 day, at least 4-day closing below it. But as the moment it came back to retest this level, so the sell will continue. Look at it, it closed above it up convincingly, and since then it's been going up. So it just means that this whole sell over here has been a fake out, and when a fake out like this tend to occur, the push to the upside tends to be very, very massive. Although gold is at a daily level over here, but for next week gold will definitely come to this level and this level. Why? There's an imbalance over this candle. There's also an imbalance to be completed on this candle. And to top it all, I don't know that you guys have watched your news, but I see news that Iran sent some ballistic missiles like 9 hours ago, and it has hit some target areas in Israel. So the escalation in that war will also push the price of gold once the market open. So look for buys on gold. Look for buys on gold. You can look for buys on gold on just like get a pullback to maybe look for a 1 hour demand zone around over here, and then you do your buys. Like, let me just take it to the 1 hour so that we just see whether we can look for our entries on gold on the 1 hour. Yep. This market is, there's nothing you want to talk about it. The market is just so, although this is a daily, sorry guys, although this is a daily zone, you can see how market close with this bullish momentum candle, and when you get a bullish momentum candle, once market open, it's a buy. It's a buy for this market, and then you can just like put your SL below this particular momentum candle just in case. But when market open, you can just give it your shots. Give it your shot. This is a full body momentum candle with no wick, so that is momentum. And with the escalation of the ongoing war with Israel and Pakistan, boosted and the overall trend says what bullish. So it's a buy for me for gold. And then finally, this market called the XY. I've been saying this so that you understand the picture of all these things. You already know it tends to give you where the market is, sense at which the market is going. So if you guys can remember clearly, I talked about the XY, and I also told you guys that, and I talked about all this level, and I talked about this particular candle 109 has been the target. Ever since market left that place, the market has not filled out that imbalance over there. That is what I've been waiting for since the beginning of this year, but the US dollar kind of slowed down the bit in its movement. So one thing we have for sure from this market, that this market has broken out from this key level over here and closed above it convincingly. Now what we want to find out from this market, will it fake out from here? Will all this impulsive move to the upside become a fake out? Will it fake out from here? That is what the next days is going to tell us. So if we change it to the daily time frame, we can see that the market broke out of this place on Friday. Now this level is yet to be tested as support. We can also get that long wick that you can see on Gbpusd and on Euro, signaling that that place is a strong sell-off. So we wait to see the market coming back to test here as support. If this level holds as support, then yes, this market will pick up and fill out this week and continue to the upside. But if this level should fail, then this market will wait, and we have like 2 days. If we have 2 days closing inside here, then it's telling us that we can see levels like this and even levels like over here. That is what it's going to tell us. And if we start seeing levels like this and levels like that, that means on the chart like Euro USD, USD market will start going back up, not going down. So that is what we shall expect. So you just mark out your key areas, check this market that you see that they're doing the same thing. You go to the 1 hour. And remember, this market is also tradable. You can trade it. Can you guys just spot something still similar with Euro USD? So you can just see it. So this is just it. This long candle. Then you have the market doing something like this. This market, like from here over here, this is looking like a W structure. Remember I told you guys that I took a short, like I scalped the market, and then it was looking like a W structure, and this was supposed to be the neckline. But after this red candle, blah blah, I was not having it, and I went out of the market. And currently now, if you look at the market, what the market is doing, you can see that here is looking like a high, but this particular place also looking like a mini high. And if that is a high, then this might just be like an M pattern, with here being the neckline. And then if that is a neckline, then if this market will come down, take out this neckline, take out this lows over here, then nothing will stop this market after taking this low from visiting here. And if it's visit there, that now becomes that area that I'm looking for to sell. Remember, I'm expecting a sell from Euro USD and Gbpusd USD, but I don't want to sell where the market is, because those markets are at support. So the XY2, which is the strength of dollar, is also at resistance, as you can see. So I don't want to be buying the strength of United States dollar at resistance. I want to be buying the strength of the XY from support. And where is the nearest support? This is it. And why this is it here? Why is it? Because he has acted as resistance 1, 2, 3, and then it broke out. Then it came back to this level and it held as support, and we had the push. So if it come back here to test it again and this place holds, then we push. It's going to definitely break this particular level, and even we go higher. So that is it for the market analysis forecast for the week coming 25 to should be 30. So that is it. So thank you guys for watching my content. Please hit the like button, drop your comments, ask your questions, and if there's any other market you want me to look at, drop it. I'm going to try to look at it. Thank you, financialists. Let us go there. Let us make barbecue from the market, so as people to take care of the bills. So that is it. I wish you all the best in the market. Your analysts, Victory Chuko. I'm signing out. Thank you for watching.